Moderna shares jump as much as 16% after company says its coronavirus vaccine trial works. Moderna coronavirus vaccine shows promising safety and immune response results. Moderna fires up vaccine race with promising early results. So, is Moderna stock a buy? Number 1. So let's have a quick look at the Moderna stock performance real quick. So as you can see, on 14th July 2020, the stock price is at $75. 1 week ago, it was roughly $62. 1 month ago, it was like $65. So let's do the math real quick. $75 divided by 65, that's roughly 15% return within 1 month. Then let's look further into the past. Half year ago it was like $20. 1 year ago it was like $14, which means you would like 5 times your investment if you invested in this company 1 year ago. So that was like July 2019. On January 2020, so during this half year before this world crisis, the stock price went from $14 to $20. So let's do the math real quick. So during this world crisis situation, the stock price was doing 43% within half year, which is super good. This whole stock explosion started roughly from February. That's where all this stock performance happens. The question is, what happens next after this whole world crisis? That's the question. Next, the market capitalization is 28 billion US. So this stock is one of the large cap stock. I just started an online course, Investing for Beginners. Check it out in the video description below after watching this video. Number 2. Moderna was founded on September 2010 in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Right now, it has about 800 employees. And currently, it tested the first phase of vaccine trial on 45 persons. The phase 2 will test on person who needs the vaccine the most, for example, elderlies. And on phase 3, which is supposed to start in a few weeks, will be tested on about 30,000 people. After a successful phase 3 vaccine trial, then the regulators will decide whether they should approve it or not. So let's have a quick look at the annual report real quick. So last year on 2019, they had a revenue of 14 million, roughly about 14 million US dollars, and a loss, no profit. Last year it had a loss about 124 million US dollars. 2 years ago, in 2018, it was even more, 141 million US dollars. So let's have a quick look at the earnings report. So as the first quarter 2020, which means January, February, March, they lost money about 124 million US dollars. Check out my investing playlist in the video description below for more videos. Besides, I would like to remind you of my recent launched online course Investing for Beginners. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming investing videos. Invest at your own risk. Happy investing.